Get help when you need it most with the OMS ticket support. From ticket support, you can easily click New Ticket to submit a new ticket. Fill in the category that it's under, the title of your ticket, description, and any attachments. Then click Create Ticket. Once you've added your details, you can see your ticket will be listed right here along with the ticket number and the status. You can search right here through ticket ID, status, and category. I can see all the ticket statuses. To edit a ticket, click the ellipsis, click either edit or cancel. To edit, I can fill in the updated details, then save my ticket. To cancel, just click cancel, confirm. If I click into the ticket, I can see full details. You can see who updated it, who was it processed by, and any other details. And then you can add further comments for the team. The second way to get support is through this speech. Simply enter your name and your email. And our support hours are listed here from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday through Friday.